this weekend?
Well, I don't want to give it away, but scooter rides are going to be fun tomorrow. Let's put it that way. And yeah, wear a helmet. Come on. You know what? I'm just preaching because I'm a dad. Here's what's going on in the big picture. GO 17 satellite showing a nice ridge of high pressure building across the region. And what that means is if you want to get out and ride your scooter tomorrow or virtually anything, we're going to have a nice dry patch to do that with. Now, there will be some cloud cover out there. We still have a little bit of remnant moisture left over from what we experienced this morning, but still, it's going to be a pleasant day overall. We have a little bit of rain to work out, especially along some of the foothills there over the next hour or two, which is exactly what we'll do. By the time we wake up tomorrow morning at 8, there'll be some cloud cover out there, possibly some fog right around the South Sound, but by the time we get to mid-morning, it's going to be very pleasant out there. Now, take a look at this. We are holding this off literally until Sunday ends. This is 12:30 in the morning, so overnight Sunday into Monday. Seem familiar? Yeah, another system very similar to the one that we experienced this morning will be pushing in, except there's one little caveat here. This is about 5 o'clock in the morning on Monday. I know nobody wants to think about Monday morning right now, but for planning purposes, looks like there could be some bands of heavy rain right along the foothills and up along the I-5 corridor, including Puget Sound and Seattle up towards Everett there. Moves up the I-5 corridor, so by the time it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, some of the heavier rain will be up towards Whatcom and Skagit counties there, and some of that will be along the foothills, especially near I-90 there and just towards the east of Tacoma. So roads will be wet, and it looks like rain could be heavy in the early morning hours, but very similar to what we saw today. We'll get that out of here. So by the time we get to Monday night into Tuesday, we start to clear again as we track another system that looks like it'll push in midweek. Here's what the cloud cover will look like tomorrow, just so I'm not overselling it. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow. Yes, there will be some high clouds out there, so it's not going to be a perfect bluebird day. And of course, the later that it gets, the more cloud cover we'll see. So by the time we get right to about midday there, it will start to cloud up, but still, I think it's going to be an overall pleasant day, and it's going to allow us to warm nicely. Take today and add about 3 or 4 degrees to it, and that's where we'll end up. Take a look at this. Temperatures overnight will definitely help that effort. Most of us sitting in the mid-40s overnight, so here's what we're waiting for tomorrow. We'll find some temperatures in the upper 50s and even some mid-60s up towards the north. 65s from Redmond all the way through Bellevue into Renton. Issaquah gets in on that as well. 63 in Seattle. That's 3 degrees warmer than today. 64 Puyallup, Yelm, Lakewood, Olympia off towards the coast. Slightly cooler because, of course, we'll see that rain move in earlier and some more cloud cover, but we'll get some 66s inland in Kelso and Vancouver and off towards the east. Tri-Cities is the place to be tomorrow with 70-degree weather. Yeah, come on, not far behind in the upper 60s. 7-day forecast shows us in the mid-40s overnight tonight. Some mid-60s headed your way Sunday. Enjoy, because the rain returns Monday, but the warmth returns Wednesday.